Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to complete KYC in Telegram wallet. So let's get started. So first of all, open up Telegram and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top left hand side you'll see three horizontal lines. Click on them, and over there you'll see many options. Just click on the wallet option. Now over here, tap on the gear icon on the top left hand side. Now in here, click on identification level. Now here you'll see three options: basic, extended and advanced. You'll probably on the basic option right now. Now with every increasing level you have a higher incoming transaction and card purchases. Now just to apply for it, click on unlock higher level, and now click on get this level. Now you need to verify using your national ID. Click on continue. Now click on continue and choose whether you are a resident of another country or the resident of USA. And now click on agree and continue. Now in here, choose your country over here, and now just choose the document type you would like to attach. Now once you choose the option, click on next at the bottom. Now what you will need to do is to just take the front and back photo of the option you chose, and now click on upload document, and now add those photos over here. Now it will ask you to take a selfie, so just take a selfie of yourself, and then it will give you some instructions. For example, move your head to the right and the left, and make sure to follow them correctly. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.